This is the secret Greek recipe for living happily. Ingredients: nature, cooking and eating with friends, music, dancing, and of course, galactoboureko. First, we want nature. Yes, that's right, φύση. Welcome to Nestos River. Πάμε για πρωινό. What is your breakfast? When you are in the Greek nature, let yourself submerge in it. Explore, laugh, and why not? Shoot with a bow or go climbing. Σου κάνει καλό. It's good for you. Now the food. Make some roast potatoes. Κάνε πατάτες φούρνου. Make a cabbage salad. Κάνε σαλάτα λάχανο. Wait, I think something is missing. Φωτιά. Fire. Get yourself some wood and light a big fire with lots of charcoal. Με πολλά κάρβουνα. Γίνε εσύ ο ψήστης της παρέας. Become the grill master of the group. Some hours later and ta-da! The result is the best Greek Christmas feast. And now what? The party is over? Όχι φυσικά, we are Greeks. After that, make some coffee, κάνε καφέ, and bring some galactoboureko. Φέρε galactoboureko. The food is over and there is a pile of dishes at the sink. Μη μασάς, take it easy. Get some hot water to wash the dishes properly, like I do here. Είναι εύκολο. The last ingredients of our recipe are music and dance, right? But before that, let me light the fire in the stove. The music live starts with a traditional Christmas carol. Did you know that each region in Greece has a different version of Christmas carol? The instrument you hear is called kanonaki, and its sound is so cool. The traditional melody shows you the path for dancing. After all, dance is an important stage in every proper Greek feast, right? Tell us about your experiences from Greek feasts like this and tag the names of your friends that you shared this experience. Until next time, τα λέμε!
Greek, Glossonauts.